one way for black and white, Asians and all the rest. When a war is lost, you have to step aside and let someone else take the highway. 2nd of November, I say goodbye to masturbation. I step down so you can take the highway. I see all my black brothers are locked up in prison. I say to myself, maybe because I am doing something different. So now I step aside. You are now in the driver's seat. You can drive to the future. I give up for the rest of my life. I know I invest my time in all the black babies look like me. I save the time that leaving me. Maybe in the future all the baby boy will not end up in jail. Because if they live life like me, just chilling, don't wish for nothing, maybe they will be happy in the future. Then my diamond will be function. So now I step aside so you can be on the driver's seat. The 2nd of November 2012 was my last masturbation. Then they have this shop in Germany. They have many children, and that was born all over the world. I invest my last masturbation, and now I step aside. It's now the youth to take over. I step aside. I'm almost going 2,313 days. 7th of June, I step aside. And now you are in the driver's seat. This wall, it is just one daylight. My brother fall inside of you, and your brother fall inside of me. We're driving each other car, and we're going to the future. Maybe if I take a hike, you can get the chance to take the highway. So I really wish you the best, because I really step down and give up on the driver's seat to masturbation.